Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel Learn with Fun. In my last video, we discussed about what do we mean by transportation, its different modes of transport, and in detail we discussed about land transport. Those of you who missed my last video, do visit my channel and don't forget to watch it. So now today we are in detail going to discuss about second mode of transport, that is water transport. So let's go for it. So now first we will learn about what is water transport. It is nothing but it refers to all the transport made over a body of water such as lake, ocean, sea, river or a canal. So we are going to see what are different means of water transport. Hey friends, look, that is a rowboat. Rowboat uses oars to propel the boat forward by displacing the water around. This boat is suitable for 2 to 3 people as it requires a mechanical effort, so it is used to travel only for shorter distance. Look, that is a sailboat. Sailboat is partly or entirely propelled by the sails. This boat is used mostly for recreational purposes and for the competitions. This is a fishing boat. Fishing boats are used by the fishermen to catch the fish, so it doesn't go much deeper into water. This is a ferry. Ferry is used to take people, vehicles or goods across large bodies of water such as seas, lakes or rivers. Some of the places can only be reached by ferry because they don't have roads, railways or airports. This is a cargo ship. Cargo ship is used to carry cargo, goods, materials from one place to another. This is a speedboat. Speedboat has a very high speed as compared to other boats. It is mostly used for the recreational purpose and enjoy the water rides. This is a cruise ship. This has a large passenger carrying capacity. This is mainly used for vacationing purpose. It has everything you can imagine for making a fun, like large theaters, dining rooms, swimming pool and everything. This is yacht. This is a medium-sized boat which is used for longer journeys. This is a submarine. Submarine is a ship that can go under the water. This is mainly used for exploring the aquatic life underwater, as well as used in military purposes. So these were all different means of water transport. It's a game time. Now I will ask you some of the questions and you will help me to answer them. So let's begin. Ship is which type of transport? Water or air? That's correct. It's a water transport. Which of the following is a means of water transport? Bus, helicopter, Boat or cycle? That's correct. It's a boat. So our next question is, which of the following means of transport do not move in water? Bus, ferry, boat or cruise ship? Yes, you guessed it right. It's a bus. So are you ready for my last game? In this game, you can see two pictures at the top. For land transport, I have numbered it as 1. For water transport, I have numbered it as 2. And in the below picture, you can see different types of vehicles. So now, you have to take one vehicle and think of it belongs to land transport or water transport. And accordingly, you have to give the number to that vehicle. So ready for it? Sure, you all must have numbered the vehicles correctly. So let's check the answers. Car is a land transport. Rowboat is a water transport. Bus is a land transport. Train is a land transport. Cruise ship is a water transport. And sail ship is also a water transport. That's great! You all did a fantastic job. So friends, I hope you liked my video on water transport. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icons to get the notification of further videos. Thank you and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.